This is Novotel Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Polokwane City 0. My brother, how's it?
Hey, Sharp man.
Sharp man. President of the GNU.
Yeah, as always.
Are you happy with the win tonight?
I'm happy with the win, not win only. I'm happy because Kaizer Chiefs management, they managed to assemble a good team that will be competitive this season. That will win cup for us. So I'm happy for that. So on this today game, on today game, I'm happy with the technical team, the way they fielded the players. As Kaizer Chiefs supporters, if you can see now, people are happy now. The economy is happy now. So we are Kaizer Chiefs. We are back. The glory days are back. So those supporters who went to support Sundown, Orlando Pirates, please guys, come back. We need you now. We are back. We are a well-oiled machine now. So on the today's game, if you can check from the first half, Polokwane City came with the defensive strategy of playing a low block against Kaizer Chiefs. And in my own mind, I know if you want to apply a low block, you apply it to a team that normally you lose position of football. You don't apply it to a team that keeps football. You understand? So I'm happy about the way we played. I'm happy about our defender, McCarthy. That boy is coming all right. The way he's playing there, he must play like that, play like a hard man with a heart. He's going to win a lot of men of the match if he can play what he's playing now. So as Kaizer Chiefs supporters, we are happy. We are supporting every player that is playing for Kaizer Chiefs. If you can check on my board, I'm saying this season we are not booing any player. We are not criticizing any player. We are supporting every player that is on the Kaizer Chiefs lineup. What happened about Randa Chivaviro? I want to say to that guy, we are sorry, it was a mistake. So what happened to Randa Chivaviro must not happen on our players this season. This season, we are supporting every player. You understand? So we are Kaizer Chiefs. We are on number 2. We are taking this Betway Premiership. We are taking it. So it is us. It is for us. You understand? So I want to say to Orlando Pirates, Sundowns, please stop wasting our time. Give us our title now. Give us what is belong to us. We are back now. We are back. You understand? So Sundowns, I want to tell all the PSL clubs, Sundowns is tired. Sundowns is tired. Sundowns has a fatigue. So all the PSL clubs, they must use that fatigue as advantage to kill Sundowns. Sundowns is a dead elephant. There's no Sundowns anymore. They lost Costa Ribeiro. Costa Ribeiro killed Sundowns. So if there's no Costa Ribeiro, there's no Sundowns. Don't tell me about Shikapala. Shikapala is tired. He's 34, 35. He's tired, that guy. That guy knows to play football when the team is attacking. When they are defending, he's tired. He's walking. So Sundowns to me is a dead elephant. Sundowns must go back to the drawing board. Kaizer Chiefs, we arrived where we want to take the league. We are here now. So any team that want to take the Betway, they must come to Kaizer Chiefs. The only challenge that we are having this season is only Sekhukhune United. That's the one. All the teams, there's no team here. Sekhukhune United is the best team that can give us competition. So Kaizer Chiefs now is number 2. After number 2, we're going back to number 1. So I'm praying for Orlando Pirates to lose, to lose and lose. What they did to Munda Pule Saleng is bad. They wanted to kill Munda Pule Saleng career, Orlando Pirates, in our watch. So Orlando Pirates must suffer until, you understand? Munda Pule Saleng is a good player. It's a national team player. But what they did, that guy, they abused Munda Pule Saleng. Munda Pule Saleng is a man like me. He has a family, he has a wife, he has a car that he must pay. So if your player says, I'm not happy with the payment, the team must not isolate that player. It's a human being after that, you understand? So Kaizer Chiefs supporters, this season, let's support all the players. The only team that is existing in South Africa is Kaizer Chiefs. You understand? We are number one in South Africa. They can say whatever they want to say. Kaizer Chiefs is number one. We are going to claim our glory days back. So, to the Mutaun family, to the technical team, we are behind you. We are supporting you. This season, we are not going to boo any player. We are not going to criticize any player. We love them all. Ngobo, thank you. I'm happy. We are going to celebrate. And before I go, after every Kaizer Chiefs win, there's a holiday. The following day is a holiday. It's a holiday the following day. After Kaizer Chiefs win, the following day is a holiday. So before I go, I want to sing a song that says, Halala Kaizer Chiefs were back. Halala, halala, halala. Taguye, halala. Thank you, God. City Hao. Halala. City Halala. We are back. The Glorious are back. All the supporters that went to support Sundowns, Orlando Pirates, please come back. We want your support. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpi.com.